All right, so today we're going to talk about product selection and what to sell and why things sell and so forth. So first off, I do not recommend that when you see someone else selling a successful product, I don't recommend that you just copy someone right off that. Definitely don't want to take somebody's video and use it, because that could jeopardize your Facebook ad account, and you want to have some original thinking about the product and not just be a copycat. So copying, usually if you're copying somebody, there's a whole bunch of other people that have done the same thing. So it's best to distinguish yourself from the rest of the pack and at least go do some understand the target audience. So whoever you're selling to. So it's not just enough to pick something just out of the blue and just sell it. It's just not like, especially with Facebook ads, it does require a certain understanding of your target audience. I'm here in a wash here in Eaton Canyon, north of Pasadena, California, and so what I do recommend is having some understanding of your target audience. At least have some familiarity, some sort of, perhaps even put together an avatar of who these people are and what kinds of products can benefit the consumers that you're trying to sell to. So let's talk a little bit about the medium that you are going to use to sell products. So video is absolutely the best way to sell physical products, and you want a product that you can easily demonstrate and communicate exactly what the product is going to do for this potential customer. So I strive for in my video ads is I want my potential customer to have 100% comprehension of what I am offering within 3 to 5 seconds. That's that really important part right there at the beginning. So if I'm just going to sell, if I'm just going to sell a rock, if I want to sell rocks, then if I'm going to sell this rock, I'm going to do something in motion with this. I might hold it and turn it around, but I'm not going to show my hands so much. I want to show off the rock. And now a rock may not be, unless you're selling to people that collect rocks, or you've got some, you're selling rare types of things. So I don't even know about that audience, but it is you. So you need to know who you're selling to. So I'm not going to try to sell, really cool. My youngest daughter, she just loves geology, and she would be able to tell me what all of these are. But I don't understand that group of people enough to probably put together an effective ad. And if I wanted to, I would try to understand that niche or that group of people. So where I see a lot of mistakes is often there's that disconnect between the understanding of the target audience and promoting something that just doesn't fit. So I'll just tell you things that I never do and that I find that do not work, especially with Facebook ads, is you don't look at the top sellers on Amazon, okay, or the top sellers on AliExpress or eBay or any of those others. In fact, I use no tools at all. I only base what I sell is based on my understanding of that target audience and how this product will be beneficial for that potential customer in that audience. All right, so another thing is I want something that's easy, like I said earlier, easy to demonstrate. So some examples of things that may make it difficult. So for example, if I'm going to try to sell a flashlight, so a flashlight, it brings light to the dark. Now, if you're doing a video with a video ad and you're using your cell phone as the video camera, and you're going to have some difficulties putting together a good video, because you can't show if you're in the dark, it's difficult to show the product at the same time it's actually being used. If you ever have tried this with a flashlight, you'll know what I mean. So I can be in the dark and show what the flashlight does, but it adds an extra layer of difficulty because you can't really do it simultaneously. I specifically will rule out products because they do not, I can't use motion to demonstrate them in the video. For like another example would be like a Bluetooth speaker. It emits sound, but there's no motion in the product for me to use to get people's attention. So like for the example, I mean, a really good example is a cell phone accessory. Well, everybody has a cell phone. So if we were to look at that as a niche, probably most of the people watching this video would understand the kinds of products that are beneficial that are related to a smartphone or cell phone. So for example, if I had this really cool phone holder for in the car, because they can be kind of awkward. We all know that. And if you had something that was like just completely solved all the problems about phone holders in a car, you might have a really cool product, and it would be very, very easy to demonstrate. All you'd have to do is just put the phone in the holder and show that over and over again, and how easy it is, and get your potential customer to think how that would help them. So here's just a few ideas. A couple other quick things. I like things that are somewhat small. That way it's inexpensive to ship in bulk. So I don't believe that AliExpress drop shipping is not a long-term business model. For long term, it's important to have products that an inventory that you own, or at least an inventory that you can ship quickly. So what I like to do is test, get my ads tested. When sales are really good, then I'll start importing them in bulk, and then my customers can get them very quickly, and we can service them and build a long-term relationship. But just a couple points here I wanted to share. It comes up often, but it really comes for me. If I summarize this, is I want products that are easy to demonstrate. So I can make a very compelling offer in the video ad.